Guys, today we are going to discuss one very basic interview room problem, and the problem statement says that we need to find out the maximum element from an array. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem in Java, and you can find out the code in this repo GitHub URL. I will share in the below comments, and that is code with RK, right? So here first we are going to create a Java class get maximum element from an array, maximum element from array, right? So now we are going to create one main method, public static void main string args, right? So and now I am going to declare one array, and array having some elements. Okay, so here the array size is very small, and we can easily find out that the maximum element in the array is 100. So if array size is bigger, it's very difficult to search that how we can find out the maximum element. So now we are going to create one function that will return the maximum element from an array. Okay, so we are going to pass this array into that function, right? So the problem statement, how we can solve this problem. So basically what we need to do is we need to find out, or what we can do, we can just declare a variable, we can get a variable from the array, and we can compare other elements from that array, and if all the other elements are smaller, then we don't have to do anything. If any element from the array is bigger, then we can simply replace the element. Okay, so now what I am going to declare is I am just going to declare one variable with value max element. Okay, and I am just going to take first element from that array. Okay, so now because I have already taken one element from that array, so I will start my loop. So here I am going to traverse to the other elements of the array. So for that I am just declaring one loop, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am just comparing this max element with the remaining element of the array. If this max element is smaller than other elements of the array, then I am just going to replace with other elements of the array. So let me write this code. So if I am just writing here the if statement, if max element is less than array, right? Now max element value would be array of I, right? So via this way I can get the maximum element from that array, and now I am going to return that array, that element, return max element. Okay, so here I am just going to print that element, system.out.println, right? Get maximum element array I am going to pass, and here just I am writing one statement, maximum element from an array. Okay, so let me print this. Okay, there is one error which I need to solve. Okay, so here we can see that maximum element from the array is 100, right? Hope you like this video. Thank you.